This is one of those Dracaenas. Correct species name and all I have to find out. The very popular, hardy, pretty, etc. So it's widely used in the garden trade. Here, these people use it as a hedging material, and it can be chopped also. It comes back when the height becomes too much. They can trim it like how they did here, and then the new sprouts will emerge from the sides. And this Dracaena is a very interesting and fascinating group of plants. However, the species and all in a more detailed video I'll have to do once I learn about it.